Hello and welcome to my channel, Intuitive Envisions 1111. This is going to be a general reading for the collective, twin flames and soulmates, to see what's going on in your connection within the next 24 to 72 hours. We're just going to see what comes out. All right. So since this is a general reading, it's not going to resonate with everyone. I do offer personal readings. So if you're interested in booking with me, that information is below in the description, as well as my website information, intuitiveenvisions.com, and Instagram information, these tarot decks, the Jellyfish Lamp, everything I have up here pretty much is in the description below. And if you'd like to support the channel with a donation, that information is below as well. Okay. So for those of you new to this journey, when I refer to divine masculine or divine feminine, I'm referring to energies and not a specific gender. So you can be a divine feminine and be a male, or vice versa. Just take it how it resonates. I also use terms like you, she, he, that person, your person. That could be you I'm talking about, or the person you're thinking about, or someone close in the equation. Okay, so thank you guys so much for liking, commenting, subscribing, and sharing. I really appreciate it. I'm pretty much all caught up on the comments, just like maybe one day. I don't think I caught up with yesterday's comments, but I'm pretty much caught up right now. Once in a while I get behind, but if I haven't responded, it's usually because it's a negative comment or it's controversial. I don't know how to respond to it if it's confusing to me. So I just choose not to respond to that. Okay, so other than that, that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into this reading. First, I'm gonna get the general energy surrounding this reading about what's taking place in the next 24 to 72 hours in your connection. This could be first steps, just what people are doing. We'll just see what's coming out. Okay. All right. So the energy surrounding this is oath. Okay. So this has to do with contracts, pledges, things of that nature. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and get a little more information from this book real quick, just to see if I pick up additional messages. So we have, my lovely child, you have chosen the symbol for oath. This is the symbol for all promises and is a reminder to keep the ones you have made. Okay, just from reading that, this seems to me like it has to do with either or soul contracts or actual contracts on the physical plane. An oath is never made lightly nor in jest. Promises are meant to be honored. When you choose this symbol, perhaps it's time you look at how you have made your promises. Have you crossed your fingers behind your back, relinquishing the magic that binds you to your oath? Has anyone broken his or her promise to you? Let the person go. Don't hold on if someone refuses to be honorable. You don't want this person in your life. For now, the most important promise you can make is to yourself. Promise to be kind, loving, honorable, and good. Do no harm. To belong to me, you must keep that promise. Okay, so this is about promises and oaths. I really feel like it has to do with soul contracts, things of that nature. So something within the next 24 hours to 24 hours to 72 hours. So let me see what else we have for the energy. Partnerships and alliances. See, this does have to do with this. This is an energy around. This is the Three of Wands. So this is about a waiting energy. It also could be about movement forward. So in this, I always take the words into consideration over just the actual meaning of the card, which is partnerships and alliances. So this does have to do with actual people's relationships and things like that. So there might be a promise going forward, or for some may be going forward with ending a contract situation. So let's see what comes out here. So we have official person. So this could be somebody that's very serious in the government, works in government or used to work in government, military officer, lawyer, someone with, very serious, doesn't necessarily show their emotions. So this has to do with, and he also, this official person also brings serious matters. I saw this. I burned some sage, so I got a little bit of dust here. Okay, so also I'm just gonna say something really quick. Right before I did this video, because I always do a test video, I thought for sure I saw like an orb on the thing when I was doing the test. Kind of freaked me out just for a moment. I try not to get too freaked out because I do feel protected, but I just thought I'd share that because a lot of people have been commenting that they've seen orbs in some of the videos. So I just thought I'd say that in case some of you notice that or pick up something. It's not in this one, or I mean it could, I don't know, I'm not watching the video, but it was a little test video I did before I did this one. Okay, so I just wanted to say that. All right, so let's get 2 more cards. We have high honor. So this is about respect. This is about award, recognition, things of that nature. I'm going to get one more card. And we have child. Okay, so this could have to do with an actual child, or this is also about new beginnings, fresh starts, fond memories, memories of fond time. So there is an element here that I'm seeing that possibly for some this has to do with a soul contract, award, a recognition of pledges, promises that's been made. There also could be, what I'm picking up is there might be an actual step towards some type of promise of a new beginning, a new start, possibly some type of movement forward, is what I'm picking up too. So let me see what else we got here. Look at that. Calling in your soulmate is what I said at the beginning with this oath, soul contract. So I feel like this is what this is about. Kind of gave me chills when I saw this card and I saw this. I get a little excited, and I'm already a little excited just from the experience I just told you about. So I feel like this is there's an element here of someone is calling in their soulmate. This could be universe, this could be your person, this could be this person, remembering a pledge, a contract, a promise to come together in this period, in this lifetime, is what I'm getting. You know what, I'm just going to put this one on here. I like seeing the calling in your soulmate. I know what this card is, so I'm just going to cover it up. All right, so let me get 2 more cards. Soulmate. Oh my gosh. Yes, this is your soulmate. These last 2 readings I've done with beyond the horoscopes, but the messages ones have been just really tripping me out. Okay, soulmate, word recognition, calling in your soulmate. This feels like really exciting and just a lot. Because I'm asking Spirit to tell me what's taking place within the next 24 to 72 hours. And someone is calling in their soulmate. There might be some actual movement taking place, some kind of step. Because there's a duty. Like I'm seeing here, this person have their hand over their chest there. There's a duty to fulfill this contract. All right, let me get one more. I feel like my hands are shaking, like I've got so much energy going on right now. Release your ex. The time has come to clear your energy. So someone is being called in to release their ex. Somebody from their past, possibly with this child here. Maybe even this person has a child with their ex. But you being this person, whoever this is, whether this is you in the connection or your twin flame or soulmate, they're being called to release their ex, to clear this energy, to let it go. Okay, so that you can fulfill a contract. And for some of you, this is actually releasing a contract. For some of you, I feel the main energy is about calling in your soulmate, fulfilling an oath. Okay, so let me get some more energy about what's taking place here. Tell me about this official person and calling in your soulmate. Oh my God. I think I'm going to probably break the record for oh my gods in this video. I don't know. Awakening. Okay. Someone's awakening. They're awakening to calling in soulmate, or awakening to this connection. That's what's taking place. That's what I'm getting. Your prayers, your affirmation, visualizations help bring you together. Okay. Tell me why this high honor and soulmate. Yes, this is your soulmate. For some of you, you could possibly be dealing with a soulmate connection and also a twin flame. This deck doesn't have a twin flame connection, but since it's saying release, you might be being called upon to release one situation, which could have to do with a contract, to fulfill your soul contract, if that makes sense. Okay. Yeah, that's what I'm getting. Okay, why is high honor and soulmate here? Destruction. Yeah, there's a tower moment because this is a tower energy. So there is, I really feel this has to do with someone needing to release somebody, release a contract on the physical plane. I see my voice is like even shaky. To release a soulmate on the physical plane and fulfill their contract, their oath, their soul contract with the one they're supposed to be with. I feel is their twin flame. Could be a divine soulmate, but that's just what I'm feeling. All right. Why is child and release your ex here? What is this about? Lessons. Okay. So you're needing to, this is about learning and about either there's a lesson that you're needing to complete, or you have already completed it and you're ready to move forward with it. Because this is time has come to clear your energy. Okay, this could be your current lesson, or this could be their current lesson. So, and this is something that they're needing to do within the next 24 to 72 hours. They're needing to clear this energy because the tower is here, destruction, and you have awakening. So this is like major energy here, major energy. Let's get some more about what's taking place. Tell me about this official person calling in your soulmate and awakening. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. There's two towers. Okay. There's definitely a tower situation happening within the next 24 to 72 hours. A breakthrough. Something false, maybe involving someone's ex or needing to clear their ex, but there is a destruction. There's a major breakthrough. Possibly with this person is having a major breakthrough. Okay. And they're awakening to this connection. And they are calling you in, or you're calling them in. You could be dealing with Scorpio, with this tower energy, a lot of, with this destruction. I usually don't, if you watch my videos, I usually only assign signs with the major arcanas that are signed to a particular sign and not just what's going on in the community. But I just felt called to say that for some reason this time, okay, with these two destruction cards here. All right, tell me more about this high honor, soulmate, and destruction. Two of Cups. You have soulmate here basically 3 times. This is about true love. This is also about contracts. Okay, you have soulmate, calling your soulmate, soulmate. This is about your soulmate, your connection. And also I believe that it has to do with another person too involved in the equation that might be involved in a contract. There is a need, a recognition. I feel that is being called upon this person to destroy this contract that they have, possibly with another soulmate, so that they can go with their rightful soulmate or twin flame. They're being called upon to release this X and clear this energy and this lesson that they need to have completed already is being called in. Otherwise, I'm feeling that there's going to be major towers brought down on this person within the next 24 to 72 hours if they do not respond to the universe calling. I feel like they are possibly getting it because you have this breakthrough here energy. Okay, so let me see why the child, release your X and lessons. Man, I'm sorry. I'm hearing sounds around me and I'm tweaking out. It's just the house settling. It just, does that. All right. I'm going to hurry and get to this reading because my energy is like super high right now. It's in my voice. It's in my body. I feel shaky. Okay. Why is the 18? Why is the child, release your X and lessons here? The Hermit. Okay. This is Virgo energy. So this is about lessons. I was going to say withdrawal can be about withdrawal too, because you do have to release your X, but this is about lessons and learning and wisdom, knowledge. So maybe this person has already completed this. They've already done it. Or they're going to within the next 24 to 72 hours. So this is pretty major. And you have 18, which is 9, and you have 2 9s here, which is about ending of cycles. So there's a lesson learned. Someone might have already done this. Your person might have already done this, or you have. Okay, let's get one more card each, and then I'll see what's at the bottom, and then conclude this reading before I freak out anymore. Okay, so let's see why official person, calling in your soulmate, awakening, and Tower is here. The Empress. Somebody is awakening. Oh my God. Okay. This